So how do you make your video fade in at the beginning or fade out at the end? If you are a content creator, then you must know that adding a few effects to your video could make it a little spicy and more engaging than just recording and uploading a plain video. So VSDC can help you add a few effects, and that includes fading out and fading in effects that you can put at the middle or at the end of your video, or even at the beginning. So in this tutorial we are going to look at how to add the fade in and fade out effect using VSDC free video editor. So let's get right into it and see how this can be done. So if you want to fade a video at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end, then first of all you need to add content to your work area in your VSDC. And in this case you can still use smaller portions of videos, so you can use a whole video that had been downloaded or recorded with another device. So you just add your content from here. So then I'll choose a video, simple downloads, and choose let's go with this video. Okay, open it, then I'll choose okay. So my video is 43 seconds. So I'm going to use this video to show you how to add the fading effect. So first of all, let's try a preview of this video here. So play. So you see it's playing. There is no any effect added to it at the beginning. So if I want to add some fade in effect here, I'll drag this player control to the beginning of my video here. Drag it to the beginning, so there. Then now I'll make sure that this video is selected. Now before you add any effects, ensure that this video is selected. Once again, you can add the effects by right clicking on it from here and choosing video effects, or you can go to video effects under the editor menu here. Then now I'll go to one of this, so you can scroll out to see we have transparency transforms, but now we need fade in and fade out. So we'll go and choose transparency, and then we'll say fade in. Now when you do that, you'll be asked where do you want your effect to start from. We've seen this before in our previous videos, so I'll choose from scene begin, then I'll say click on OK. Then now I'll still come here and change the duration of this, because it shows 1 second, and that's an effect that you will not see clearly. So I'll make it let's say 5 seconds, and then press enter. Then once that happens, now I'll go and preview my video. You see that? Now if I wanted to maybe I'm giving a narrative video and I'd like this effect to be a little longer, I'll just come here and increase the effect to, let's say, 10 seconds and press enter. Then now I'll play this. If I want it to come in real slow and real smooth, so you can see it begins with some darkness at the beginning, and then it fades in slowly as the video plays on further. So if you want to do the same for the end, then you just go back to this, click on this video from this Objects Explorer, and then we are going to drag this our player control to the position where we want our video fade out effect to start from. So I'll just do that and click on video effects, then I'll go to transparency and say fade out. So from that position to scene end, then I'll say okay. So if I do that, I'll increase this again to 5, because I don't want this to be too long, so I'll just make it 5 seconds. 5, press enter. Then I'm going to preview it. See, the video effect started the very farthest end. That's why the effect is not clearly seen. So we'll try to change this effect here. So we remove this first, delete it, then make sure that before we add our effect, we'll say we'll set the point where the effect starts. So in this case, it says 40 seconds. So we'll try to change the video beginning. Let's add effects there. Go to transparency and say fade out, and then we'll say object position in timeline from cursor position. We'll say from cursor position, then click on OK. So if that does not start the way you want it, then I'll come here and say object creation time. It's 0039. Then now I'm going to add 4 seconds because my video stops at 43. So I'll just edit the duration here, object duration, and say 4 seconds. Add 4 seconds and then press enter. Then preview it. See, now it has really worked really fine. So that's just how you add a fade in and fade out effect in your video using VSDC. So go on there and create your content and make it more attractive and more engaging. If you like this, give me a thumb up, tap the subscribe button and share this with friends, and help them create better content as they upload it in their YouTube channels or share it in their social media platforms. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.